Hey guys, welcome to Copper State Forge. Today we have a treat for you. These are just a few of the items that we make here at Copper State Forge, and today specifically we're going to make a beautiful ladle. This is a stainless steel handle. It features our touch mark here from copper, and also it has copper on the bottom. We cut this out and peen it all by hand, and we're going to take you through that entire process. It takes a little bit of time. And the first thing we're going to do is head over to the plasma cutter where we cut out a very basic shape to start with before we forge it. So if you'll follow me over here, we'll go ahead and get started on that. Look at that. So this allows us to have a place to put the touch mark and a place to put the rivets so everything lines up correctly. So we're going to take this to the belt grinder now. Just clean up the edges a little bit and then get it ready for forge. All right guys, we're going to go ahead and take this piece of copper and we're going to scribe a 3.5-inch circle on it. We're going to cut it out with this cool little shear here. And then from that point, we're going to go back to the anvil and we're actually going to form it into a shape very similar to this bowl right here and prepare it to be riveted onto the ladle. All right, we're going to head over to the anvil now and get this formed. Okay guys, now that we've got this cut out, we're going to use this series of steel cups to go ahead and form this piece of copper into an actual ladle shape. In this process, we do actually have to soften the copper a little bit. The way we do that is we heat it up in the forge and then we quench it in water. It's actually the opposite of steel. And then as we hit it and work on it more, it's actually going to get more difficult to work. So then we'll probably have to do that again before we're done. Look how beautiful that came out. Now you couldn't see them before, but a little bit of polish goes a long way. We're gonna go ahead and get this fitted up to the handle and get these riveted together next. All right, we've got our two pieces here now, and I went ahead and went to the anvil and we rounded this so that it matches our cup here. So I'm gonna go ahead and find a good spot where it lines up just right. All right. Just marking it a little bit with the drill so I can find that right spot. There we go. Right. That just has a little spring inside. It just puts a dimple exactly where you need it to go. Get our rivets installed. It's kind of tricky, you gotta hold both of them at the same time. All right. All right, now here comes one of my favorite parts. This is where we put our touch mark on this ladle. And this is what tells folks that Copper State Forge made this. We actually put a copper rivet in here and we stamp it with the state of Arizona. All right, guys, that's our touch mark, and that's the final thing that we do to this ladle. If you notice, it's got a little bit of this really beautiful patina on the inside. That's just left over from when we put it through the annealing process, and that stays there. It's polished, it's beautiful, it feels great in the hand. This is ready to be used on some soup or whatever you'd like to make in your own kitchen. It just makes us happy that we know that we can make something that you're gonna truly enjoy for the rest of your life. If you like what you see here, please like this video and subscribe. And you can always go to our websites, copperstateforge.com, and check out a little bit more about what we do.